classic walk in the room bit. Back in action, we're back in the action. I ain't gonna lie, man, Ian and I had a boozing of the night last night. Ian the cameraman, of course. Then Brand decided to get really baked this morning to counteract the hungoverness. It didn't work, I'm just baked. So not lack of effort on this video, but lack of care, if you will. Kidding, boys, I always care. Look at me, I feel like right now and I'm filming. I like it. I love you guys, man. This is what sparks me to be good, to be great. I'm a great person. I am God. Can you say that nowadays? I don't know. Editor's note, just to edit it up to the point you just watched, boys. Brand was absolutely obliterated. I'm not at that point anymore. I'm watching it back sober and I'm like, wow, that sucked. Anyway, appreciate it, boys. That was Bones. Let's go. Oh, did I forget to mention we stopped partying 2 hours ago? So this is now all gonna make sense. All right, boys, thank you for joining back. Hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. I'm feeling nice, man. 1,200 thumbs up within the day. We have never done it this easily. 1,200 thumbs up within the day. We're gonna finally, hopefully, give away this diamond watch. Boys, it's so easy. Literally just thumbs up. We have a lot more views than that, so just thumbs up and comment down below, and one of you guys are gonna win this. Let's just make it work. I want it off my desk because I keep losing it. Totally forgot I had a Selena Gomez autograph up there. Full on face shot too. What a beauty. Wow. This video is brought to you by NameBrandFam.com. If you guys are looking for real cheap jewelry as you see on the page right now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, quality is not the greatest ever, but it's free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping. You like that one right there? Buy it. You can actually add 2 free pieces to your cart for the price of 1 shipping, boys, with the link down below, NameBrandFam.com. Boys, you know brands for the family, brands for the boys, and that's why Name Brand Fam is a thing. Thank you for sponsoring us. Me, nobody else will. Boys, we have a nice little mystery unboxing today. Now, this is actually from a subscriber, and we don't have a good track record when you guys hit me up, giving me actually what you say you're gonna send me. We've gotten SHIT in the mail, we've gotten dilds in the mail, we've gotten a lot of things that I've unboxed on YouTube thinking that it was actually what you guys said you were gonna send me, but it's not. So I'm always scared to do these videos, but they're always kind of fun. Boys, if you ever want to send me something for a video, my Instagram's right here, just hit me up and we'll probably make it happen. And hopefully you're not lying, because that like generally sucks, you know? Like my girl saw a dildo in the garbage can that I got from one of you guys, by the way, thank you so much. And she's like, Graham, what's going on? Explain, please. I said it was getting too old, I had to get a new one. Anyway, no. Somebody hit me up, actually, his name should be on the package. Thank you, bro. He didn't actually want an Instagram shout out or anything, which scares me, because if you don't want an Instagram shout out, you probably just sent me shit in the mail, which is what we're trying to avoid. James, appreciate it, buddy. He just sent us a package. Apparently what he said, and it got me intrigued, we've done all those 6ix9ine videos, I'm sorry, but what he said is, I want to send you the last piece of 6ix9ine jewelry that you don't already own. Boys, we own it all. That's why it got me intrigued. What we don't own is the new stuff. Blow, it could be this, blow, it could be this. I've never seen those on the market though, so I'm a little sketched out. It's still a fun video. Boys, this is a mystery 6ix9ine unboxing. Without further ado, from a subscriber, James, my guy, thank you so much. Apparently, once again, a piece we don't own. Let me show you guys the pieces we do own so we can narrow out what this may or may not be. Vape. We just got the chain, actually. If you missed that video, it's absolutely nuts with the freaking shark. The chain's too big to fit the shark, boys. We also own this 6ix9ine piece. We have a little collection going on, so if we can complete it, I think this is gonna be fun. I'm just scared that this is gonna be a lump of shit. There's a box in here, boys, but you can still fill it with crap. I've seen it happen. It's happened to me. We also have the 6ix9ine spinner chain, of course. I also have the little 6ix9ine emblem piece somewhere, but I don't know where it is. Let's hope this is something cool, boys. We're doing it because we don't know what we get. And I don't really feel like I'm in the mood to freak out over some weird stuff today. So let's hope this works out, boys. Without further ado, let's get into this package. So, what I want to say is, if this is actually what he says it is, something that's going to complete the collection, next video, at one point in time, I'm going to try to pick up girls with all of 6ix9ine's pieces. Those videos are generally really funny, because I really suck at picking up girls. They're like, wow, you're not like that ugly, but oh, now we're meeting you and you suck. So, so those are always good, you know? I'm freaking out now. Alright, let's go. Let's see if this kid's a liar. He actually was nice on Instagram, which is why I'm actually believing this dude. I don't think he was out there to get me. And first off, I do want to say, thank you so much. Yes, it's a jewelry box. Good start. Anyway, thank you so much for sending this, man. You never actually have to send anything to me. I obviously make some money off YouTube, so it's really cool when you guys just give me freebies. It's awesome, you know? Although most of the freebies, once again, are shit. Hey, it is jewelry. I'm trying to think now. What don't we own? Boys, what the I forgot. Dude, this might be one of, thank you so much, man. Cool mystery unboxing. Light piece to make a whole video on. To be honest, I was expecting probably a freak out video. Let's just show it to you guys. This actually, if I remember correct, was one of 6IX9INE's first pieces. Buddy, thank you so much. Absolute beautiful piece, to be honest. Really cool you sent this to me, man. I would actually wear this. In all honesty, it just looks really, really real. It doesn't look fake whatsoever. I'm gonna ask this kid where he got it from, boys, and I'll probably post it in the comments if you guys are interested, because this is cool. I can see a lot of people wearing this damn thing. I think 6IX9INE's actually had like hair coming out of his, but it's like a pony piece or whatever. Maybe he gifted it to his girl. I'm not really sure what happened to that, or like what he was buying it for. I'm not really sure. Who knows with 6IX9INE? But very cool, man. I don't know what else to say. It's very small. Not complaining, but like that's it. You know, that it really, once again, thought I was gonna get got in this video, and those ones generally make people happy because I just freak out. Very glad I didn't get got. Buddy, thank you so much. We've now, I guess, actually completed the 6IX9INE collection of what they actually have on the market. This is crazy. What do you guys want to know more about this? Where is it from? I don't know. Dude didn't send anything with it. It's just a box with a new item. Diamond tester engaged, boys. Sorry, lazy video today. I'm obviously not feeling it. Yeah, no, it's not gonna go up. It's not working. Boys, there she is, the last piece to our 6IX9INE collection. We gotta put it on the internet because this is a monumental moment. I'm the first person ever to own the whole 6IX9INE collection. I swear to God, Brand in the titling editing room. Maybe you could use that as a title. We're not sure yet. Thank you for that. Quick unboxing, you know? We got another video coming out tomorrow. I'm gonna try to do 5 days this week. How's that sound? Bye. The more name brand in your life, is that good or bad? Leave a comment down below. If you do that, you will be one of the people if we reach the limit to get one of these. If you actually watch till the end. Because most people don't, you know? Appreciate it. Most people do, but like, it'd be better if you did. Bye. You smoke more weed now. Don't promote.